In this video I'll look at how absorbance changes watercolor behavior in Rebelle 6. I'm setting up this washi paper, with different amounts of water on my sponge brush. Here in the visual settings box, I'm changing the absorbance to 9. And turning off drips. I'm using a brush with 80% opacity, 15% water. Because I've used a hard edge mask, you can see some hard edges flowing across. Down here, I've set absorbance way down to 1. Straight away you can see there's more movement in pigment. This part looks like a mushroom, that might be fun to use. That's a nice feathery bleed. Okay. With absorbance set at 1, over on the right, there's still got a ton of water on the paper. This is paper tilt. Just drying those out to isolate the paint flow. I hope you found that interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in comments.